My name is Dulshani. I'm from Sri Lanka and I just completed my web designing course, 45 days course with the Cba Infotech Gurdaspur. So as my experience, Cba is a very good place for beginners who want to learn about the IT side. So actually if I'm talking about the staff, the teachers, and they are very friendly. Whenever we have a doubt, and they always solve all the problem with us, and they always stay connected with us. And we are doing a lot of live project, and whenever we have a doubt and they are solving it, and they give more spaces and more time to solve the problem. So I recommend all the students, they should visit the Cba Infotech Gurdaspur and just take a chance to learn more about the IT program. Thank you.